The atmosphere surrounding Earth is divided into 4 layers. The first is the troposphere, which reaches 12 kilometers in height. The higher you go in this layer, the higher the decrease in temperature is. It reaches temperatures near negative 60 degrees Celsius. The first pause is the tropopause. From 12 kilometers to 20 kilometers, the temp stays about the same at negative 56 degrees Celsius until 20 kilometers. The second layer is the stratosphere, starting at 20 kilometers and reaching 48 kilometers. As you go higher, the temperature increases to negative 2 degrees Celsius at its highest point. The second pause is called the stratopause. The stratopause stays at negative 2 degrees Celsius until it ends at 42 kilometers. 2 kilometers, the mesosphere begins. Just like the troposphere, it decreases in temperature as you go higher. At 84 kilometers, it ends with a temperature of negative 86 degrees Celsius. The third pause is called the mesopause. The temperature stays around negative 86 degrees Celsius until it reaches its end at 92 kilometers. The final layer of the atmosphere is called the thermosphere. It's the largest of the 4. It reaches from 92 kilometers to 500 kilometers in height. Temperature here increases rapidly, measuring at 700 degrees Celsius by its end at 500 kilometers. Planes stay within the troposphere, only flying up to 10 kilometers at the highest. Planes fly in the troposphere and the tropopause, flying up to about 15 kilometers. Space shuttles fly mainly in the lower thermosphere, flying at about 185 kilometers. Orbit Earth in the upper thermosphere to far beyond it, from 320 kilometers to 35,000 kilometers. The aurora borealis occurs in the thermosphere from 180 to 380 kilometers high.